Hi guys, welcome to Manwar Education. So in this video, I will discuss about DULLB exam. Okay. So guys, दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी ने 29 सितंबर को एग्जाम डेट अनाउंस कर दिया गया है एंड दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी इज अ NAC A graded institute and it is also one of the fantastic institute of the country where students try to get admission in this, and for seeking admission in this university you need to give entrance examination. So in this video I will discuss how you should plan your preparation for the DULLB exam. So before we proceed ahead, we have launched the batches for Maharashtra Law CET 3 years, 5 years, CLAT, DULLB, BHU Law, SLAT, ALET and other law entrance examination for year 2022 and 23. So in this batches you will get live classroom books, shortcut trick, doubt class, recorded videos will be there, topic test, mock test, WhatsApp group will be made where all the queries of yours will be solved by our faculties, 10,000 plus question for the practice purpose and mentorship by our exam mentors. So what are you waiting guys? Book your seat now. Call on 8828581455 or you can also visit to our website manwaredu.com/law entrance. Now guys, let me show you the official circular of DULLB exam. Okay. So guys, this is the official circular of National Testing Agency, University of Delhi. So you can see schedule for computer based entrance examination for UG, PG, MPhil, PhD 2021. Just scroll down and you will see over here. Okay, yes, September 29th 2021 LLB. Okay, 8 AM to 10 AM का आपका slot है. Okay, for LLB. So this is the official circular which has been given by NTA. Now guys, let us discuss about the preparation planning for Delhi University examination. So basically what are the things are required for the preparation? So very first is study material. This is very important because अगर आप देखें so 29th September को आपका एग्जाम है, roughly you have 25 days. Okay? So स्टडी मटेरियल इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एज वेल एज राइट गाइडेंस, और आपके पास जब टाइम कम हो तो इसका इंपॉर्टेंट और भी ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है. सो स्टडी मटेरियल इज़ वन थिंग यू नीड. आफ्टर दिस प्रॉपर टाइम टेबल यू नीड टू मेक विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू योर प्रिपरेशन, मॉक टेस्ट एंड रिविजन. ओके, सो दिस इज सेकेंड थिंग. आफ्टर दिस learn and practice. Okay, so you need to learn the concept and you need to practice from the books. Okay, after this you need to give mock test, because with the mock test you will come to know which are the stronger sections of yours, which are the weaker sections of yours. You will learn about paper pattern, you will learn about time management, you will be confident for the examination. So all these things you will be learning with the mock test. So complete SWOT analysis आपको करना है. आपके स्ट्रेंथ क्या है, वीकनेसेस क्या है, अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ क्या है, थ्रेट्स क्या है आपको आपके प्रिपरेशन में. ओके, नाउ आफ्टर दिस revision is the key. Continuous revision is required in your timetable. You should add certain times for the revision because एक तो एग्जाम का हाई प्रेशर है and if you don't revise you will forget those concepts very easily. Okay, so timely revision is required. And also guys, DULLB के साथ लोग BHU LLB का भी एग्ज़ाम लिखते हैं एंड महाराष्ट्र लॉ CET का भी एग्ज़ाम लिखते हैं. मैनी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट फ्रॉम दिल्ली दे राइट महाराष्ट्र लॉ CET एंड BHU LLB एग्ज़ाम. BHU LLB का एग्ज़ाम का फॉर्म अभी भी रजिस्ट्रेशन चालू है. September 6 इज़ द लास्ट डेट एंड महाराष्ट्र लॉ CET एग्जामिनेशन डेट इट विल ऑल्सो कम. ओके, सो अगर आपको प्रिपरेशन चाहिए BHU LLB एंड महाराष्ट्र लॉ CET के लिए भी, सो यू कैन ज्वाइन अवर ऑनलाइन प्रोग्राम. आफ्टर दिस मोटिवेशन. यस, it is also very important for the exam preparation which will keep you going. So you need to visualize in your dreams that you are getting admission into Delhi University and इसका एक प्रिंट आउट ले लो दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी का एंड आप एक वॉल पे चिपका दो जहाँ भी आप स्टडी कर रहे हो, सो दैट आपका गोल आपके सामने रहेगा एंड यू विल बी कंटिन्यूसली मोटिवेटेड दैट you want to get admission in Delhi University. Now guys, let me guide you where you will get all the study materials for this particular examination. So this is our website manwaredu.com. Just click on buy online, click on law entrance. So this is the page. You will see full course, books, study material, mock test, sectional course. So just click on full course. Okay, so this is the law entrance. Okay, now after this you will come over here DULLB classic program 2021. Just click on view details. So in this you will get 360 video lectures, 98 handouts. Okay, now if you are lacking in a particular section, then we have sectional course also. Just click on sectional course, show packages. We have sectional course for GK and current affairs, elementary mathematics, verbal and critical reasoning. If you want to give Delhi University examination in 2022, so we have courses for all these things. Okay, now if you are thinking that you have prepared well, okay, and you want to evaluate yourself, so you can give the mock test. So just click on mock test and this kind of a page will open. So you can see law entrance topic test. So in this 48 quant test, logic 62 test, English 22 test, GK 20 test. Okay, so this is the program of mock test. Or if you want to study from the books, so you will get books and study material. So that's all guys in this video. If you want to prepare for law entrance 2022 and 23, so you can join our online and live classes. You can call to our board line number 8828581455 if you want classroom coaching. So we have classroom coaching at Mumbai. Our branches are at Borivali, Vasai, Dadar. You can also visit to our website, okay, manoeredu.com. You can also follow us on our social media handles for exam updates and notification. Link of all the social media handles, it is given into the description box. And we have also launched a new YouTube channel which is very specific for law entrance examination. So you can subscribe to this channel also. This is all about in this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, prepare well. All the best for your preparation. Thank you.